All right, guys, so we're back inside. Driveway's done. All the shoveling's done. Everything around the yard's looking pretty good. But the wind was really strong last night. And I've been working on a bushcraft, survival shelter out in the woods out back. And I'm not sure if it's made it, guys. I'm going to go take a look on it. Going to go get the snowshoes on. We're going to go for a hike in there, see what it's like, see the condition. All right. I'm going to get suited up. I'll go grab the shoes and we're going to head out. All right, guys. So we're all suited up. We got my backpack on here. We're going to go grab the snowshoes and we're going to venture in there. Like I say, it's minus 19 out there, but with the wind, minus 25, 30-kilometer gusts, so you gotta be careful. Ain't nobody coming to look for me, You gotta be prepared. Alright guys, it's freezing out, super cold. We're hiking out, see how the structure is gonna do, even if it's still together. It's been some serious wind, so I brought a shovel here. Might have to get shoveled out, we got quite a bit of snow. Ooh, that wind is blowing. I can see the shelter. Whew. Okay. Guys, this is incredible. Whoa. This is great. Looks like the structure has... I can turn it around here. Oh. The structure's looking good, guys. Oh, this is so cool. What? Man. Guys, the structure is still standing and it looks better than ever. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of shoveling here. I'm gonna light a fire, maybe have a coffee. I wasn't expecting it really quite to hold up this nice. That's impressive.
$6, baby. Roster and thrift store. All right, so just got it cleaned up in here. Looks pretty good. All right, guys, so we're in the forest. We're gathering some sticks. We're gonna have a fire, make a coffee. A lot of snow around in the forest. That should do it for sticks. All right. All right, we're gonna work on this fire. So it looks pretty, it's pretty wet. Dig into those ashes like that. Pretty dry in there, so. I like to use a buck knife, shave it down. It's nice and simple, it gets pretty thin, right? Easy to start. A pretty good base in here, as you can tell. Lots of nice shavings that should catch on fire pretty quick. That with a couple combination with these other sticks here, some smaller sticks, I think I think she'll be go time. We'll be having coffee on here in a couple minutes, I think. All right. Always in my bag, guys, I carry a lighter. In a bag. In my bag. Like, can you see my hand steaming? It's cold. All right, so we're gonna put this lighter back away in its spot. All right, so we got the water on. Whew. It is chilly, but I'll tell you, getting out here in the elements is really important for myself. I know you're probably being like, Chris, you already live off grid. Why the heck do you want to, you know, get more extreme than that? But it's just in my blood to get out in nature, see it, set up these cool shelters, you know. Setting up shelters like this, you know, I wouldn't hesitate to sleep in this after last night's wind. I couldn't believe that this is actually exactly how I left it. Incredible. Hey, Cash. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Lot this lot big kid. Hey, sit. Sit. That's a good boy. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Cash came out for a visit. Hey, Cash. I don't know. This dog is pretty cool. Come here. Lay down. Lay down. How big is Cash? Incredible. Cash. How big his paws are compared to my hands. It just blows my mind that this dog will actually end up weighing more than me. But it's a wonderful thing. All right, get some more logs put on this fire. Get more logs put on here for us, guys. I like that feeling of it. When a fire needs more oxygen, you'll see a lot more smoke, so we get it burning a little hotter, this smoke will dissipate away. In the summertime, smoke is great to repel mosquitoes, but I don't think we have to worry about that. Just like that, guys, the smoke is gone. Gets burning just a little bit hotter, smoke goes away. So guys, say you're just sitting around the fire, kind of enjoying the heat. It's always good to stay productive. And you're gonna say, well, what do you mean? It's the middle of winter, right? But in summertime, we'll be camping in this area here. So making a couple pegs for rope tie downs, good thing to have. So we're just gonna sharpen one up, you know, lay it off to the side. Maybe in a couple of weeks I'll come back here for another fire, I'll sharpen another one, you know, and then after 6 or 7 visits you have enough pegs, reusable pegs for around this setup, you know. It's kind of neat. You're always thinking ahead, you know, you'll always be a little bit more prepared every time. For instance, like I knew that there was a chance that that lighter may not work in my backpack, so I brought a spare one. I wanted to have a fire with you guys, make a coffee, get some water boiling. All right, just like that, we've made a peg. I don't like to make this too sharp because the longer and sharper you make it, the more probability that it might break, or you may only get one use out of it. So kind of cool. Make some pegs. This is my cup. This is my little coffee filter. I got it at the thrift store. It's quite handy. It just sits in there like that. I brought a little bag of coffee. And we're just gonna pour that right in this. Hopefully. Missed a few, but that's okay because you just do this. Just like that. There we go. Sure is nice to get out in the wilderness, man. Helps you get connected again. What a nice day. It's coming along quite nicely. Whew. Coffee's hot, but it's so darn cold out here. It doesn't taste very hot. right, guys. Well, the fire's kind of coming to an end here. It's burning out. I'm happy to see that the structure made it okay, guys. I was thinking about that last night when I heard the wind blowing pretty bad. I was wondering how that... Sorry, guys, the smoke is kind of getting in my eyes that it's dying out. But I'm happy to see the structure's up and it's perfect. Didn't take much work, so feels good to be out here having a coffee with you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying my content. Hope all is going well. You know, you should leave me a comment if you've made it this far into the video. You know, what kind of content do you guys really want to see? Do you like this bushcraft kind of content? It's kind of extreme, I know, but or do you like kind of like the do-it-yourself home projects? I have quite a few of those that I have to do. I have to renovate a spot for my washer machine. So let me know what you guys think. Either way, it's coming at you. All right, we'll finish this coffee up and peace out of here. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.